the ambiguity of process, of never arriving, allowing frustrations to pass. Out of this ambiguity, several questions emerged for me, like, when I dance, what state of tension am I in? I used my series of 7 chakra masks designed in collaboration with Uncle Alet in order to divide training into different sorts of energies. And I discovered my own meanings of afferent and efferent energies. And I drew them. And later, when I danced, I asked, what tense was I in? The past, the present, the future? It became transient, it changed, and in relation to myself. And as I drew the ephemeral, as I documented and recorded that moment in time, I let it go. And only in the release came the lesson, the growing, the moving forward, the shift, the change, the break point. But it was too late. The moment had gone. Dancing this picture in my present, I wondered if I could be dancing someone else's history, biography, story or fiction, and it felt like I was walking through portals. And knowing that if my teacher was to dance my picture, his choreography of my map may be completely different to my experience of the source dance that I had originally copied from him. And so I started to wonder, if culture is plural, moving, dynamic, if the same could be said for identity, how might this look? The benefits of culture endorse and promote a sense of belonging, of identity and inclusion. And accepting the necessary perspective balance, we see this also invites a dynamic tension with the opposite, exclusion, denial of membership and borders. However, if culture is plural, provisional, on the move, dynamic, contradictory, a process, the implications for how we might conceive of identity and our own spiritual discourse become increasingly interesting. With a non-linear, non-fixed definition of how, what, where in the world I place myself and how and where my work fits in, I generate far more possibilities. And obviously in our culture, we have the liberty and choice to make this happen in a practical or material way.